Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about blackberries, and I have some specific food and flavoring combinations that are known to work well with blackberries. So if you're looking for some specific new recipe ideas, hopefully this will help you out. Combine blackberries with apples, brown sugar, and cinnamon, or blackberries with apples, cinnamon, and hazelnuts, blackberries with cinnamon and orange, blackberries with honey and yogurt, blackberries with lime and mint, blackberries with lime and yogurt, or blackberries with papaya and yogurt. They all sound good to me. I hope this helps you out. Take care. Bye.